the rust.
You want to see a star?
That is how much I've scraped out of it so far.
Well, I'm gonna make it sound like a shot by using my gun.
Oof! Alright, now I'm in here. And I cut open the side here. And this is what we're looking at here. You got, this is the torque box out here, if you can see it. Put that down there. So you got a lot more rust than we were hoping for. And we're gonna have to go all the way back to there. I'm hoping that this side is not as bad because you got a rust hole over here too, or rust building up right there. I don't think it's gonna be as bad because they don't look near as bad as this. There's that too. Going all the way up. This is going to be difficult. This part's going to be difficult to rebuild in here because it is sealed up by this torque box. So I got to rebuild it from the inside. As you can see, the rust goes all the way down through the whole tube there. And it's because they put these patch panels right here over top of some rust, and it created more rust.